Welcome to my channel and to this episode Technology. Today we will talk about the differences between different stone washing duration. We will see how a stone washed part will change the surface when we stone wash it up to 16 hours. As you can see, I have numerized all the stock parts with the time they will get stone washed. The stock has the dimension of 80 by 65 by 10 mm or approx 3 by 2.5 by 1.25 inches. When you stone wash your parts without distilled water and don't change the water after 30 minutes, the part will get darker because of the grinded material will get worked into the part. That's why the part gets gray and dark. In a further episode we will see how to avoid this. There is also the possibility to get better results with invest in ceramic abrasive teatrader. This will also be available in a further video. The longer you stone wash your parts, the more deburred the edges will get. So you can use this stone washing technique to deburr all your parts after machining or also between machining operations. If you want high polished surfaces instead of stone wad surfaces, you can choose special polishing media for get high glossy results. Mostly there will be used nutshells with special polishing liquid. Polishing takes more time than stone washing because you need more cycles and you need to change the liquid more often. Here you can see the result after up to 16 hours of stone washing with cheap split media. These are two parts I made for a customer with stone washed look. I hope you enjoy this episode. I would be proud if you leave a comment and a thumb up. You can be sure, the next video will also be awesome, so stay connected with a subscription. See you soon.